Hi, tita. Oh, iha. Parang tumaba ka. Grabe ka naman, tita. Hindi, tumaba ka nga. Pagod ka na ba masabihan na tumaba ka? Well, keep on watching this video. I will be giving you slimming streetwear tips. You know it. What's poppin', everyone? If you're new to my channel, welcome! My name is Dani, and for this video, I'll be giving you slimming streetwear tips.
Ooh, just what I've been waiting for.
Para ma-avoid natin masabihan ng tita na tumaba tayo. So in the streetwear community, may mga babae, they usually wear loose shirts kasi it's comfy, it looks cool. So for my first tip, if you want to look slimmer, if you wear loose shirts, don't partner it masyado with mga super baggy pants, like super loose ones. Because if you have a loose shirt and then loose pants, you'll really look a little big. So please avoid that. That's my first tip. And for my second tip, this is the holy grail if you want to look skin tight.
This one, this is it. You get what I'm saying? This is it.
And that is wear black. Wear all black, wear black every day, wear black going to the gym, wear black going to school, wear black wherever. Because wearing black really makes you skinny. So that's for my second tip. And for my third tip, please avoid vertical stripes. Dati, mahilig ako magsuot ng mga vertical stripes na polo. And every time, sinasabihan ako palagi na tumaba ako. So, proven and tested na yan. So, please avoid vertical stripes shirts, vertical stripes pants, skirts, dresses. Avoid that.
What are you waiting for, huh? What are you waiting for?
And for my fourth tip, girl, please avoid V-neck shirts. Wear ka na lang ng mga crew neck, yung mga round neck V-neck shirt.
No, hunty.
Because proven and tested din yan when I wear V-neck shirts when I go out. They always say rin na tumaba ako. Thank you guys, ha? Thank you. Saktan ako dun eh. Right. Pero hindi naman ako tumaba. Same naman yung weight ko, so...
Baby trippin'.
So please avoid V-neck shirts. And for my fifth and final tip, alternate lang siya ng first tip ko. So, syempre, in the streetwear community, hindi natin ma-avoid magsuot ng baggy pants because it's really a trend, especially for women. So, if you do wear baggy pants, you can wear a more fitted shirt, but not that fitted na hindi ka na makahinga kasi hindi na masyado yan siya komportable. So, wear like a shirt na yung maka-breathe ka pa rin and then partner it with the baggy pants. So, that's for my fifth tip.
You already know.
Hi, tita! Kamusta ka na? Oh, iha. Parang pumayat ka. Anong secret mo? Eh, grabe naman si tita. Wala. Diet lang to. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. If you haven't followed me on my socials, please follow me at streetbydani on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you think about this video below. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post another video. See you then. Dani out!